everyone, welcome to my weight loss journey. That was actually on point because that was my sister and we harmonize all the time. We used to sing together, it was a whole thing. Oh my gosh, someone is touching my butt. Hi baby. If you are a subscriber, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are interested in following along on my vegan weight loss journey. My name is Cris. My sister is cooking. That is the sound of pots clanking. That's the stuff you can expect in this exciting life here. Say hi. I vlog on this channel with my husband and our 6 kids. We are a vegan family, and I wanted to show you guys today how to put together the easiest grocery list for weight loss. Today, when I post this, it's Saturday morning. This is the 2nd week of January, and you're probably thinking, okay, I'm ready. I'm getting started on my weight loss journey on Monday. What the heck do I even buy? This is as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is how I chose to do it. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from the grocery store and the way that I came up with my grocery list. It's super simple. Hopefully it'll be helpful for you too. Obviously you don't have to do it exactly the way that I do it. Maybe it inspires you to think similarly to keep things simple. I recently did a poll asking you guys where you are on this plant-based spectrum, and the majority of you guys are vegan. Hi fellow 100% vegans, but as I know some of you are also vegetarian, and for some of you, you said it's complicated. My goal with this series is to uncomplicate things as much as possible for you guys, so hopefully this video will be helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know to recommend my video to other like-minded people, and it helps our channel so much. So even if you aren't able to leave a comment, if you're super busy, just leaving a like does wonders. So thank you in advance for that. Let me show you guys how I came up with my grocery list and then what it is that I got. Ooh, look who came to town. It's the cool boy. Oh, cool cat. Oh. So here's how you make your grocery list. 1 sweet treat, 2 savory treats, 3 proteins, 4 vegetables, and 5 different fruit, and that's it. This was the easiest way for me to come up with a help my sister come up with a grocery list for herself to have during the week, so that way she doesn't really have to overthink anything. So let me go through that again. 1 treat, pick 1 sweet treat if that's what you so choose. I'm just giving you an example. This is yogurt. If you mix this around and put it in the freezer, you have a nice little frozen yogurt treat, then that's delicious. So this is my sweet treat for the week. And then next, 2 savory treats. So I've got my chips and I've got my salsa. That's 2. Next, I've got my 3 proteins. This tri-blend organic beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, and black beans. That's 1 protein. Then next, I've got this tofurkey slow roasted vegan chicken. And then I've got some extra firm tofu. Those are my 3 proteins. Next, I've got my 4 vegetables. Cucumber, tomato, lettuce, spinach. Then finally, I've got my 5 fruit. I've got avocado, bananas, strawberries, apples, and little mandarins. This makes it really easy to start throwing together meals, but I will be showing you guys what I ate during the week so that way you can see exactly how I put meals together very simply using this same format of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for instance, on a typical day, you can have some tofu scramble, put tons of vegetables with that. That could be your breakfast. Then when lunchtime comes, you can have a nice protein-rich salad with some spinach, some tomato, avocado, lettuce, cucumber, and then put some of this with it if you want, or put some beans if you want. And then all throughout the day, snack on your fruit, snack on some cucumbers. In the evening when you're ready to have another snack, you can have some chips and salsa. And then when nighttime comes, you throw all the vegetables together, mix it in with some pasta or mix it in with some rice or a baked potato, whatever it is that you want. Super simple, super easy. Buy the vegetables that you're most likely to eat, that you already know that you like. This is not the time to go start exploring zucchini and different types of butternut squash from different areas of the country. No, keep it super simple. Pick the things that you are actually craving. Nisha in the comments, hi Nisha, ask, you know, am I still gonna be eating chips and cookies and things like that I enjoy? Absolutely, absolutely. Just pick one for this week, and then maybe next week you want to add a different one in or whatever, but just start with the one that you're craving the most now. If it is that you're craving ice cream the most, have that be your one sweet treat. If you know you're craving chips and salsa as your savory thing, have that be your 2 savory things for the week. If you know you've been craving like chicken salad, you know, put that together. If you know you've been craving rice and beans, get the beans. Pick the things that you know you are absolutely obsessing over right now. Next week, my haul might look completely different. Next week, I might be craving for a sweet treat. I might be craving my favorite vegan cookies. I might make a batch of my own cookies for something savory. I might be craving some popcorn with some everything but the bagel seasoning on it. You know, you just never know. Go with what you're craving the most right now, because then you're most likely to be excited about what you're eating every single day. And then guess what? If you get tired of it, switch it out. There's no rule saying that you have to eat the same thing every day. Also, if you have not purchased You Can Heal Your Life yet, leave a comment below saying what you're most excited about or one of your biggest challenges, and I will be more than happy to gift one of you guys with that book. We did recently hit 1,500 subscribers, and I did say that when we hit 1,500 I will be giving away a blender as well. So go ahead and make sure in the comment section, whatever comment you leave, let me know what you would prefer to win, whether it's the blender or the book. Either way, it's gonna be awesome. I know you didn't get to see any of my kids in this video, so I'll just grab the nearest kid and have him say hi. Hi. Okay, all right, go on, nearest kid. All right, I can tell you hands down, there is no family on the entire internet that is more appreciative of the love and support that you guys show. We know we are not your conventional family. We are not your conventional vegan family. We're not your conventional anything. So thank you so much for subscribing and for being so supportive and encouraging. And trust me, we're not going anywhere. The content is gonna keep coming. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. And if it's your first time here and you're interested in following my journey, because it is going to be quite the journey this year, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.